This campus and student news report is for the April 28th BTC Notebook. This morning at 10:30 a.m., the documentary Brave Miss World will be shown in the North Commons. The film is about Lenore Abergale, who was an 18-year-old working as a model in Milan, Italy, while also a candidate for the Miss World competition as Miss Israel. However, 6 weeks later, before the Miss World pageant, she was abducted, stabbed, and raped. Abergale went on to win the Miss World title and used the platform as a powerful and influential voice to speak about the horrors of rape. This film is a part of the educational activities for April's Sexual Assault Awareness Month. The always popular Backyard Bash will be held this Thursday, May 1st, from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. There will be dunk contests, laser tag, and a volleyball tournament, plus silent auction items to go along with good food and good times. On Monday, May 5th, the Monroe Campus Academic Support Division is sponsoring its 5th annual Summer Book Exchange. Last year, more than 100 books exchanged hands. If you have summer reading books and paperbacks you would like to donate, please bring them to room 2213 on the Central Campus by May 1st. Finally, the Student Network of Activities and Programming is sponsoring the Lego Movie Friday, May 2nd at 7 p.m. in the Commons of the Central Campus. There is no cost to you and your family. You are welcome to attend this great animated feature.